Hello friends, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to link our app project to Firebase. So we continue from where we left off in the previous tutorial. We're on the screen where we had to set up the email login. We're simply going to link our project to Firebase. So to do that, you open your browser. Just search Firebase console if you're not sure of the website. Okay, firebase.google.com. You can simply type that in if you don't want to use Google search. Then once you're here, you need to click on the menu, then go to console. Okay, so now to add the project, just click on the plus sign with add project right on top there. Here we need to name the project. Let's give it a name, whatever name you feel like. Then continue. Here you can leave analytics on. Continue. Then you have to select an account. Then once you've done selecting an account, you can create project. So this will create our project, and we'll be able to get the details from this project and configure them in our Sketchware application or our Android Studio application. Continue, and our project will be added and it will open. So we are done with the first part of adding the project. So now we need to add the app to this project we just created. So you can see on top here, you can add a number of app projects: iOS, Android, Unity, and web apps. So since we're going to add an Android app, click on the Android icon, then we'll need the app package name there. So if you've already mastered the package name, simply edit it there. Otherwise, let's close our project to see the package. Okay, so the package for our project is CRN demo. CRN demo. Then you give the app a nickname. It can be any name. Then register app. Scroll down and hit next. Go down, next. Continue to console. Okay, so we are done with adding the app. There we go. Our app has been added.